Hello everyone, welcome to the channel once again. I'm continuing with the MS Word series, and in this video we'll learn how we can put superscript on a word. Like suppose introvert reflection is there and TM is written as top of this like superscript. So how we create this, R, and how we create this copyright, we'll learn in this video. So I'll write introvert and then reflection, and then I want the TM. How I can do it, this, and then TM, and then I'll close. This will become this. Similar, how we can write this R1, I can write something and then this bracket R, and then I'll close. It will become a superscript. Similar to copyright, I can this, say this copyright. So this way you can do it. So the question is how I am able to do it. These are actually shortcuts. From where did I find this? You can go to file and then more and then options, and then in the proofing you see this auto correction option. You can click on auto correction option, and then you can see this. When you write this, it becomes this. Bracket like parentheses in E inside parentheses, it will become this. R inside parentheses will become this, and TM inside parentheses become this. Now all this also you can use. You see, if you write like this, it will become this. So this way you can learn it from here. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.